polynomials. In this, I have discussed some very important problems for your public exam. Look at the first question. P of x is your second degree polynomial. P of 2 equal to 0 and P of 3 is also equal to 0. Our first question is write a factor of P of x. We know if P of a is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor, isn't it? Use that idea here. Since P of 2 is equal to 0, we can say x minus 2 to be a factor of this polynomial. Which is the other factor? P of 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, we can say x minus 3 is also a factor. Clear? Come to the second question. Write P of x as the product of two first degree polynomials. We know x minus 2 is a factor and also x minus 3 to be the second factor. We are asked to write it as the product of two first degree polynomials. When you multiply two first degree polynomials, you will get a second degree polynomial, isn't it? Let me multiply and show you. When you multiply x with x, we get x square. X multiplied with minus 3 gives you minus 3x. Now multiply minus 2 with both these terms. So what do you get? Minus 2 into x gives you minus 2x. Minus 2 into minus 3 gives you plus 6. We can simplify this as x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay children, come to the second question. Consider P of x is equal to x square minus 36. A question, find P of 6. When you want to find P of 6, what we have to do? Replace x by 6. So we get P of 6 is equal to, instead of x, you should write 6. So you get 6 square minus 36. 6 square is 36. 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. Now the second part of the question, write P of x as the product of two first degree polynomials. Now you can write x square minus 36 as x square minus 6 square. And in 8th standard we have studied an identity. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, isn't it? Use that idea here. We get x square minus 6 square as x plus 6 into x minus 6. Come to the third question. Consider P of x is equal to x square minus 11x plus 8. Find P of 2. That is, replace x by 2. So you get P of 2 is equal to 2 square minus 11 into 2 plus 8. That is equal to 4 minus 22 plus 8. Now here 4 and 8 are positive numbers. Add those two. You get 12. So what is the answer, children? You get plus 12 minus 22, which gives you minus 10. Look at the B part, that is the sub question. Find the number to be added to P of x to get a polynomial for which x minus 2 is a factor. If x minus 2 is to be a factor, we should get P of 2 to be equal to 0. So what is the number to be added? Since we have minus 10, we have to add plus 10 so that you get 0, so that x minus 2 will be a factor. So what happens to the polynomial, children? You get P of x is equal to x square minus 11x plus 8 plus 10. So the polynomial is x square minus 11x plus 18. Now look at the third part of the question. Write P of x as the product of two first degree polynomials. we know x minus 2 to be a factor, we have to find one more factor, isn't it? Look at the number here. You have 18 and product is 18 and sum is minus 11. So which are the two numbers? 2 into 9 gives you 18, isn't it? So we can take the numbers to be minus 2 and minus 9. By adding minus 2 and minus 9, you get minus 11. By multiplying these two, you get plus 18. So the two first degree factors are x minus 2 and x minus 9. Clear, children? Look at the fourth question. Consider p of x is equal to x square minus 7x plus k. Find p of 3. Let us find out p of 3. P of 3 is equal to 3 square minus 7 into 3 plus k. So you get 9 minus 21 plus k. Simplify. 9 minus 21 gives you minus 12, isn't it? So p of 3 is equal to minus 12 plus k. Look at the second part of the question. What is k if x minus 3 is a factor of p of x? We know if x minus 3 is a factor, p of 3 will be equal to 0. Okay, children? So we have to equate this p of 3 value to 0. Okay, let me write. If x minus 3 is a factor, p of 3 is equal to 0. Now what is p of 3 for us? We got minus 12 plus k. Equate it to 0. Okay, so what is the value of k? K is equal to, take minus 12 to the other side of the equal to sign. So you get k is equal to 12. Look at the third sub-question of the same. Write p of x as the product of two first degree polynomials. Come back to our p of x. We have p of x is equal to x square minus 7x plus k. K value we got as 12. Now we have to find two numbers whose product is 12 and sum is minus 7. Which are the two numbers, children? You can try with 1 12 is 12. You are not getting 7. Next, 2 6 are 12, but we won't get 7. The third factor, 3 4s are 12. So we understood the numbers are 3 and 4. We need to get a negative sign. So give negative sign for both the numbers. Negative into negative gives you a positive answer. Okay, so what are the factors here? The factors are x minus 3 and x minus 4 are the factors of the second degree polynomial x square minus 7x plus 12. Look at one more question. Consider p of x is equal to x square minus 9x plus 18. A part, find p of 1. Let us find out p of 1. P of 1 is equal to 1 square minus 9 into 1 plus 18. This gives you 1 minus 9 plus 18. Add the positive numbers together. If you add these two, you are getting 19. 19 minus 9 gives you plus 10. Second part of the question, write a factor of p of x minus p of 1. Let us find out p of x minus p of 1. P of x is given to be x square minus 9x plus 18, from which you are asked to subtract p of 1. So, minus p of 1 value is 10. So, you get x square minus 9x plus 8 to be the second degree polynomial. Now, to write a factor, what we have to do? Again, look at these numbers. Product is 8, sum is 9. So, the very first factor, 1 8 is 8. Let us write 1 8 is 8. To get a negative sign, give negative sign to both these numbers. Okay, so we can write x minus 1 to be a factor, x minus 8 to be the second factor. Okay children, now look at this question. Write the second degree polynomial as the product of two first degree polynomials. Here you are given x square minus x minus 1. From this, what did you understand? The sum of the two numbers is going to be minus 1 and product is also equal to minus 1. So it is clear we cannot use our previous method. So to solve this, we consider this as a second degree equation and use our formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole thing divided by 2a to get the solution of this second degree polynomial. Okay. Now let us substitute a, b and c in this formula. So we get x is equal to minus b. Our b value is minus 1 plus or minus root of b square, that is minus 1 the whole square minus 4 into a value is 1, c value is minus 1. Whole thing divided by 2a. So what do you get? Minus of minus is plus. So you get 1 plus or minus root of 1 plus 4, which gives you 5. Whole thing divided by 2. A value is 1. Now x is equal to 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2. From this, what did you understand? The two solutions of the second degree equations are x is equal to 1 plus root 5 divided by 2 and the second solution is 1 minus root 5 by 2. We are asked to write two first degree polynomials. So how we have to write? Since x is equal to 1 plus root 5 by 2, we can say x minus of 1 plus root 5 by 2 is a factor of this polynomial, and also the second factor is x minus of 1 minus root 5 whole thing divided by 2. Is it clear to you children? I have discussed all important problems of this chapter. Thank you for watching.